Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix search bar not working on Windows 11. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. First you need to restart Windows search service. To do that, press Windows plus R in your keyboard. It will be open run menu. In here you need to type services.msc and hit enter. In the services menu you need to find Windows search. Scroll down until you find W key section. Okay, in here, here it is. Right click on it, tap on restart, then it will be restart the Windows search service. And if it is not working, don't worry, go with further steps. Secondly, you need to run the search and index in Troubleshooter. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu. Under the system section, scroll down in the right side menu, go to troubleshoot and choose the other troubleshooters. Find search and indexing in this menu. Scroll down. Yeah, here it is. Just tap on run. Now it is find the problems, so you can choose the problem or you can apply all. Then after, tap on next, then follow the on screen instruction to fix your issue. So if that also not working, don't worry, you have to go with further steps. Next you can rebuild the search index. To do that, press Windows plus I. It will be open settings menu again, and in the left side menu go to privacy and security and choose the searching Windows option. Scroll down. Yeah, it is right here. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down, choose the advanced indexing option, tap on it. In this menu, tap on advanced option. Under the indexing setting, in here, click rebuild. Just tap on it. Then it will be rebuild the search index. Then after, tap on OK. Alright. So you can do the restart Windows Explorer for this one. To do that, you need to press Ctrl Shift plus ESC together. Ctrl Shift plus ESC. It will open Task Manager. I am going to open it using the taskbar. In here, make sure you are in Processes tab. Now you need to find Windows Explorer. It is right here. Just tap on it. Tap on Restart. Then it will be restart the Windows Explorer. And if that also not working, you have to check the Windows updates. To do that, go to search Windows bar and then go to setting. In the left side menu, choose the last one, Windows Update, and tap on check for updates. This will update the latest update and automatically install that in your computer. Then after, you need to restart the install that updates. Then try to check the problem is fixed or not. Finally, you can use the command prompt for advanced fixes. In here you need to open the command prompt as administrator. To do that, go to start menu and go to all apps. Sorry about that. Just close this one and press Windows plus R. Then it will be open run menu. Now you need to type CMD here. Tap on OK. Alright. So now you need to type SFC space / scan now. Then hit enter. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes and it will be wait for the scan to complete. This will check for and repair any corrupted system files. And these 6 methods will be fix your search bar issue on Windows 11. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.